The 7-Pace Time on Items panel provides a structured view of effort across your Jira hierarchy. At the top right of the panel, you can immediately see the total time logged. This value is a roll-up sum of time on the current item and all its nested subtasks. The task tree displays the first level of child items. This allows you to audit the immediate contributors to the parent item's total effort without leaving the current view. When work is logged on deeper levels of the hierarchy, 7-Pace indicates this with an information icon. The number next to this icon shows the number of tasks at lower levels that contribute to the total hours. While the tree view focuses on the immediate sublevel to maintain clarity, all time from subsequent layers is automatically rolled up into the parent's total. This provides a real-time, consolidated view of project progress, ensuring that even deeply nested subtasks are accounted for in your high-level reports. Use the Time on Items panel to gain immediate visibility into the distribution of effort across your Jira issues.